effect until 10. Service in Detroit Paniac has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, northwestern Genesee County in southeastern Michigan, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Durand, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Swartz Creek around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flushing around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Beecher around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Juddville and Vernon. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is developing. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.